This is a general installation video of the ARIES SlimGrip running boards. This video will cover the installation steps needed for all SlimGrip running boards. These boards are available in a textured black powder coat finish. To begin the installation, set the SlimGrip running board onto a flat work surface with the bottom of the board facing up. Locate and slide an end cap over both ends of the running board and secure it in place with the provided self-piercing screws. Repeat this process on the other running board. Lift the running board into place and set it on the previously installed VersaTrac bracket. Insert a track mounting plate into the running board, aligning it with the bracket. Secure the board into place with an M8 hex bolt with a flat washer and a serrated flange nut at each mounting location. Leave the hardware loose at this time. With all the hardware loosely installed, adjust the running board into your desired location. Once you're satisfied with the placement of the board, torque all the hardware to the values listed in the supplied instruction sheet. Repeat this on the remaining brackets. This completes the installation of the ARIES SlimGrip running boards. For more information on SlimGrip running boards and other great products, visit ariesautomotive.com.